PML your covers. 10L80 transmission pan swap 2025 Escalade. Replacing GM 10L80 10L90 transmission pan with PML part number 11170. 2025 Escalade with air ride, suspension, and Cadillac catback performance exhaust. Removing the bolts and draining the transmission pan. PML pan has a drain for less messy servicing. Remove the two bolts from the transmission mount and then added support to transfer case to raise the transmission. We needed to unbolt and loosen the drive shaft at the front. Loosening cooling lines to make space for removing the stock pan. Jacked up transmission on transfer case. Loosened and dropped the sway bar. And stock pan finally comes off.
Seems like it would be a little nerve.
Because it thinks a little different than I do.
Removing the old filter. Put O-ring on new filter and installed. Put Loctite on bolts for PML pan. PML pan with a new stock gasket installed. PML pan bolted onto transmission. Level, check, plug. Drain plug on PML pan. Removing transmission housing fill plug on driver side. Reattached cooling lines. Drive shaft reconnected with Loctite on bolts. Sway bar put back in place. PML pan fits great. started pumping in transmission fluid, started Escalade, and ran through the gears, and more fluid added about 11.5 quarts total. Stopped adding fluid when it comes out fill hole. Installing the transmission housing filler plug. After driving, check fluid level and make sure all bolts and plugs are tight. PML your covers.